You're supposed to use combo moves.
How about this combo?
KO.
Hey, it worked.
You cheating little...
Gosh, Prince, how can you stand all this clamoring on?
Hey, Madison and Madelyn. Stop it. Stop it at once.
Both of you quit it right now. That's enough with your brawling. Show some decorum.
Flashlight and vacuum cleaner right. It's my birthday today. I'm 17 years old now. Wish me a happy birthday as part of a decorum. And no more fighting. What's wrong with you two?
Oh, right. Sorry, flashlight. Sorry, vacuum cleaner. And sorry to you too, demo crazy train. But anyways, happy birthday. Yay, exactly as Madison wished you. Happy birthday. Sorry for fighting.
That's fine. But thanks anyways. This has been the best birthday ever.